Today, we're talking about tongue ulcers, one of the most common complaints your patients will bring to you. Let's walk step by step through how to diagnose and manage tongue ulcers in a fun and interactive way. Case introduction. A patient walks in and says, "Doctor, I've had this painful sore on my tongue for a week. It hurts when I eat. What's your first step?" That's right. History taking. Step 1. History taking. Ask these key questions. How long has it been there? Is it painful or painless? Is it the first time or does it come back often? Any trauma from sharp teeth or dental appliances? Any stress, spicy food, or systemic symptoms like fever or weight loss? Good history helps you narrow down the cause right from the start. Step 2. Clinical examination. Next, examine carefully. Use good lighting and a mouth mirror. Look for the site and size of the ulcer, the shape, the base, and the border. Typical patterns include Aphthous ulcer, small, round, painful, yellowish center, red border. Traumatic ulcer, irregular margins, often on the side of the tongue caused by sharp teeth. Malignant ulcer, hard, raised edges, painless, and non-healing, especially in smokers or older patients. Remember, painful ulcers are often benign, but painless ones can be dangerous. Step 3. Differential diagnosis. Now let's think of possibilities. Aphthous ulcer, traumatic ulcer, herpetic ulcer, candidiasis, malignancy. How to differentiate? Single, painful, self-limiting, aphthous or traumatic. Multiple vesicles, herpetic. White patches, candidiasis. Painless, indurated, think malignancy. Step 4. Investigations. If the ulcer doesn't heal after 2 to 3 weeks, investigate. Do blood tests to check for anemia or vitamin B deficiency, and if you suspect malignancy, perform a biopsy. Step 5. Treatment plan. Now, how do we treat it? For aphthous or traumatic ulcers, remove the cause. Smooth any sharp edges or adjust dentures. Apply topical anesthetic gels like lidocaine. Use antiseptic mouthwash such as chlorhexidine. For severe pain, use topical corticosteroids like triamcinolone. Consider vitamin B complex supplements. For infectious ulcers, herpetic, prescribe antiviral medication like aciclovir. Candidiasis, antifungal mouthwash like nystatin. If the ulcer looks suspicious or non-healing, refer the patient urgently to an oral surgeon or oncologist. Step 6. Prevention and advice. Once healed, prevention is key. Advise your patients to maintain good oral hygiene, avoid spicy or acidic foods, manage stress, stay hydrated, and visit the dentist regularly. Let's recap everything quickly. Diagnosis and treatment of tongue ulcers in 6 steps. Take a detailed history. Examine carefully. Think of possible causes. Investigate if it doesn't heal in 3 weeks. Treat the underlying cause and relieve pain. Advise on prevention and follow-up. And that's it. Now you know how to confidently diagnose and manage tongue ulcers like a pro. Keep practicing, keep observing, and remember, every ulcer tells a story.